Number 3. They met their teachers yesterday. So can you read the positive question for me?
Did they meet their teachers yesterday?
Very good. So the negative question is?
Didn't they meet their teachers yesterday?
Very good. Okay, you can write down the answer. Next, number 4. You give the child some food to eat. So what is the positive question?
Didn't you give the child some food to eat?
Okay, did. Bukan didn't, did. Did you give the child some food to eat? Okay, give tu kita tukar jadi give. So, did you give the child... Kenapa kita tukar jadi give? Sebab give tu past tense. Did dah past tense. Jadi, give tu kita tukarkan jadi root verb. Okay. Can you read the negative question for me?
Didn't you give the child some food to eat?
Very good. Didn't you give the child some food to eat? So, write down the answer.